Hi friends, this is Selva solution. When I try to turn on my desktop, this is an error. Go to startup select your language. Your language not have down, see more keyboard layouts. Go and select it. Troubleshoot. Command prompt. Type boot rec.exe space /fixmbr. Enter. This file cannot find the patch specification. This is a error. And also same fix boot error, same like error comes. This error, your internal hard drive not detected in BIOS in boot section. Okay, once same reg edit type and click import. This PC not showing in your hard drives. Okay, internal hard drives not showing. Okay, just close everything. And you have bootable device, any bootable Windows 11 or 10, just insert and boot it. Okay, just boot it. Restart. Any BitLockers, BitLockers, this procedure don't do it. Okay, you have BitLocker keys, do it this one. Select language. Accept. Windows 11 Pro. Accept it. Here also internal hard drive not showing. This was my bootable hard drive only showing. Okay, now what we do, just click F10 for shift plus F10 in keyboard. Okay, shift F10 and reject it. Go and check in hard drive detector or not. Okay, load drive, browse, and try. We given the description in download link. Just go and download it and copy paste to your bootable drive. Okay. Just you now get your hard drives. Same like procedure. Shift F10, reg edit. This PC now show your hard disks. Okay, showing just which one C drive is find it. This is E drive is a C drive. Okay, E drive is a C drive. First go and select E colon enter. Select here and check disk one chk dsk space forward F space /F space /R. Enter. Y. Yes. Accept it. Wait several minutes. After check disk. Wait. Next, complete after scan SFC scan now. Okay, FC space forward slash SCANNOW scan now. Just wait, same like complete procedure. After you completed 100%, do this work. Deleted unwanted files and folders in program files and Windows files. Okay, program files, delete current date files. Okay, fix your when your computer problem comes, that time you just go and delete it files. Okay, program files and program files 86, Windows under 32, system 32, and under drivers in folders or files current up to date, current date. When your computer problem comes, that date you just delete it. Okay, find and delete it. WOW 64 files also. Okay, temporary file for fetch file also everything delete. When you just do this work, fix that date when your computer problems comes, that time you delete it a file. Okay, careful. Program files, and now my first program files, see these dates, 2025, this 2025, 2026, 27, 24, everything or date. Now current date which one your comes, that time that date I will select and delete it. Okay, now I don't want avasta. Okay, and I'm just deleted only one time refresh, every time refresh. Okay, every time refresh. And 2025 3 tally important. Okay, don't delete it. And 86 program file 86, same 2025 which one, this is the share it, I'm that's also deleted. Okay, every time refresh once, just go and delete it, refresh. E drive and Windows, system 32, under drive, free fetch, temp, sys wo 64 files. Okay, free fetch and temporary folder, just delete and recreate it. Okay, every time refresh it, refresh any your processing completed after, just refresh it, newly create empty free fetch and temporary folders. Free fetch syswow file. Okay, under deleted the current date file. Find correct modification files and folder files, just find and delete it. Go and check your task manager normal or not. After system, put up to date in Windows update, current time date, and once check your deleted previous files. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching Solutions.